Hey hot tubbers, did you just get a hot tub and now it's time to drain it? And you're worried about what you're gonna put the water. What's gonna happen? Can I put it on the grass? Is it gonna kill the grass? Stay tuned and I'll tell you exactly what to do here in just a second. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm super excited that you're here, and good news. You can drain your hot tub directly on the grass. It's not going to hurt a thing. So water that backyard. It's a good thing to do. I've had a hot tub for 20 years. I've had a grass for 20 years. I do not have an award-winning lawn, but it has absolutely nothing to do with the hot tub water being drained on the grass. It literally is because I'm a busy person and I don't spend that much time on my yard. But reality is you can drain your water directly onto the grass. It's not going to hurt a thing. The one thing I would tell you is you do not want to give the hot tub a super chlorination or a big shock and then decide 10 minutes later, oh, it's too far gone and I'm going to drain the hot tub. You do want to let that chlorine dissipate a little bit. So if you have anything over, let's say, a 10 part per million of chlorine, of free chlorine, and you're deciding it's time to drain that water, that's when you don't want to drain it directly in your yard. Let the cover run off, let it run for a few, half hour, 45 minutes. That will dissipate that chlorine out really quickly. But other than that's the only thing you really do need to avoid. Try to make sure your water's relatively balanced when you drain it into the backyard. If you have a zero alkalinity, you may want to bump that up before doing so, because at that point you are dumping acid into the yard, and that is not something that we want to do. So again, just like I've been telling you all along, make sure that pH is above a 40 part per million. I'd like to see it an 80 part per million. You have that pH at least at a 7 to drain it onto the yard. And, I just don't want that chlorine over a 10 part per million. I've done it a bazillion times and my yard looks just absolutely fine. I will actually put a video of what my backyard looks like right now, and I've been draining my hot tub on it for years. So it's not going to hurt a thing. Don't think twice about it. Get a pump. I would highly recommend getting a submersible pump. You get that pump, that'll drain that out into the backyard. You'll have it done in 20 minutes. I'll have a link down below on a pump that I recommend. But yes, definitely check it out, and I am looking forward to help you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. And remember, here at the Hot Tub Lady, we love you very much.